Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to link your Patreon account to the Axe app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Axe app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our posts. From here we have to swipe to the right and then tap on profile. And here in profile we just tap on edit profile. And in edit profile, we just scroll down to the bottom and find tips. And we tap on tips. And here in the more payment options section, we find Patreon. We just tap on Patreon. We enter our username here. And after that, we just tap on save in the top right corner. It's going to save our Patreon username there. And then if people want to send us money through Patreon, they can just do it in the app. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.